Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can search by categories on Fiverr. Maybe you want to search a specific services on Fiverr by category so that it will be easy for you. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can search a specific services by category. Check the video description and we'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see here below the icons for home button, email icon, search icon, list icon, and profile icon. And then in here, to search for your by category, simply tap on this search icon. And as you can see, at the upper part, you have these categories and interest. So to search by categories, simply tap on these categories. And in here, we have lots of categories that you can choose. For example, you want to search in the categories of graphics and design. Simply tap on these graphic and designs. Also, you have here, you can be more specific by just a logo design. You can also do this in gaming, art and illustrations, and many more. For example, you are interested in logo design. Simply tap on it. And now, you can choose a services that you want. You can also see the rate in here. There you go. If you wanted to know how to search by categories in Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to search by categories on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.